The UPPAbaby CRUZ Upper Adapters. I'm Emilio from Baby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. Upper Adapters has been a comment that has always been asked about the UPPAbaby CRUZ because the seat does sit a little lower next to its sibling, the UPPAbaby Vista V2. By putting the upper adapter in, it's going to raise the seat a good 3.5 inches to make it much higher. I can connect a bassinet, I can connect the Aria to it, or an UPPAbaby Mesa. So Mesa, Aria, bassinet, or stroller seat can now be much higher with the upper adapters. Not only that, but it clears the bottom basket to give me a lot more capacity down below in volume. So adding the upper adapters on the CRUZ stroller is a game-changing accessory. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Comment which is your favorite down below. If you have any questions, feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.